Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently. Today is the 15th day, I guess, where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. And I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, GBP USD and many more. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Australian dollar, US dollar for 12th March 2021. So this analysis is for 12th March only. You'll be seeing me again on Monday with the analysis for Monday. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So you can see that I have drawn few lines on the chart, and right now market is trading at 0.7750. So this is the current market price, and so let me take out the pencil. So the first important level for the market is this line, and second important level for the market is this line. Okay, right now market is between this range, and you can see market was in uptrend. After that market fell. Okay, then market went up a little, came down and went up a little, and probably right now going down again. Okay, we are not sure, but what I've observed is that market made a high. Okay, then market made a lower high, and market made a lower high again. So market is not making higher highs or something like that. Market is making lower highs. So this is not a good sign for an uptrending market or good market. So what you can do today, or what should be a strategy? Okay, see, generally in a market like this, I will just recommend you to avoid trading in this particular range. Okay, there are multiple currency pairs available where there are plenty of opportunities to make money. So you should avoid Australian dollar US dollar for at least 12 March. Okay, when market is trading in between this range. Okay, I'm talking about this range. Okay, you should only be taking trades when market will either hit this level or this level. Okay, in case market goes up and crosses this level. Okay, then just see how the price behaves once it crosses the level. Okay, wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, and just observe. Try to understand the psychology of the market, whether it is comfortable or not. If after some time you see that okay, market is comfortable, it is trading comfortably enough, the resistance has become this support, then go for a buy above this line. In case market struggles, okay, if you spot some struggle and market reverses from here, and you get to see some uh, market reversal sign like a big red candle like this, or a price rejection from above like this, or shooting star kind of a pattern, then you can short the market here below this blue line. Similarly, this level is also important, 0.76220. If market comes down to this particular point and bounces back, it's a buy. Okay, just look for the price rejection from below or a beautiful green candle. In case it crosses this level with good volume, then if the selling pressure is too eminent, you'll easily understand by looking at the size of the candle and volume. Okay, if you see that okay, the selling pressure is too high, you can short the market below this level. Otherwise, uh, otherwise I'll just recommend you to stay away from the market where market is trading in between this range. Only execute the buy or sell order if you get the market near this level or this level. Okay. I don't know what happened to the chart. Anyways, this is the simple analysis for Australian dollar, US dollar for Friday. Okay, so there are plenty of pairs available. Okay, you can go and check them out. Uh, there are ample opportunities available. Okay, for me, this is your no trading zone. This is your no trading zone as of now. Okay, because see, it is important to make money. And discipline is the main thing. You should not be compromising on the discipline. Discipline is the main thing that keeps a trader afloat on the market. Okay, so wait for these two levels to execute the trade. So this is a simple analysis for Australian dollar, US dollar for 12 March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and if you have found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist as I mentioned earlier. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See ya on Monday.